Hello, Ellie Law here. I'm a weight loss coach and mentor for people wanting to lose weight. Now I've been asked to do a review on the fat burning furnace, and from what I've looked at, I've found very good results. This is a whole system set up by a man called Rob Paulos, who developed it, and when Rob went and tried this system for himself, he lost 42 pounds of fat and 10 inches off his waist. So he got his wife onto the products as well, and she lost 59 pounds of fat and dropped 8 dress sizes, and made such a difference to her life. How to get a strong, healthy and leaner body, really. Now, you learn how to trick your body into burning more fat. You learn how to access a fat-losing hormone from your own body that assists in the burning of the fat. This whole process is simple and quick, and the simplicity is what people like, and people are getting very good results quickly. So the simple and quick works well. One of the main benefits of this whole program is its price. It's very, very good value at only $39.97 for the program. That is so good value for your life. And also, if you would like, you can actually have a video with your program as well, and that's $69.97 for the whole program, including the video. Now that is extremely good value when you consider what your life is really worth. Now, the benefits of weight loss just are massive. They far outweigh the benefits of carrying extra weight on your body. Your energy levels go up straight away, get a better sex life maybe, healthier joints, healthier heart, more motivation, more energy, and when you lose your weight, you actually get to go shopping for a whole new wardrobe. So, in assessing this, I would think that this is a very, very good product. The strategies are excellent, it's easy to follow, and you'll get very good results. And remember, carrying extra weight does not have any benefit for your body. So lose the weight now, burn the fat off, and have a much happier, healthier life. Thanks for listening.